Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV, and for today's video I would like to show you the wiring of fire alarm system and the termination of device. See you guys. This is ZiTON brand of fire alarm panel, and this is 1.5 mm squared wires for the smoke detectors and the other detectors, and 2.5 mm squared for the sounder and the power supply with 24 volts. This wiring activities is for the home run of 4 zones and 4 loops with a total cable of 8 per loop, 2 cable, and for the power supply is individual per loop. So we have 12 cable inside the trains. And now the termination of beam detector module. One is for the normally open and one for the normally closed.
नहीं ये ब्लैक ओपर बारे ब्लू सवा रेसिस्टर ब्लू ये बोला ये ना ब्लैक सवा ओके.
Each module has a 1-port size of resistor. One is 390 ohms and one for 1 key ohms. This is beam detector. Inside there is a laser light to detect the smoke. And this is the gas panel. this is actually connected to the main through interface module. And now the testing and commissioning. Once again, introducing the ZiTON fire alarm panel made from UK, United Kingdom. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like and share. Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.